In a world where finding the right talent can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, meet Elise Marentette. As the HR manager for Anchor Danley, she faced a monumental challenge with low-quality applicants. For years, various recruitment strategies proved ineffective, with job ads yielding a frustrating flood of unqualified candidates. We spent an estimated $5,000 per job posting just to sift through countless applications, Elise recounts. Determined to turn things around, Elise ventured into uncharted territory by partnering with Prevue. The Prevue team helped Elise create a customized screening process that revolutionized their hiring approach. Now, applicants receive targeted questions alongside their resume submissions, streamlining the selection process. This new system not only organized applications but also minimized bias, ensuring fairness in hiring. Having all applicants summarized on a dashboard is a game changer, Elise emphasizes passionately. By applying the same high standards to hiring that they do in manufacturing, Anchor Danley stays ahead of the competition.